Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on Realme 10. And to do this, we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. So let's check the top. There's no speakers right here. There's only phone call speaker right there. On the bottom we can find another speaker, and that's basically it. Now, to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music. If the sound is coming from both of the speakers, that's a stereo speakers. If the sound is coming only from one, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound was coming only from one speaker, and that would confirm it. This device doesn't have it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.